Hello viewer, we are using the designs and explore the different options here. Find a new structure, keep making the designs here to take it. I will use a paint there. Let's take another design. Explore the different shapes here. Make another shape. Try to use it. It's an eraser tool. Here we are. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel so we will change the pattern again.